And another upgrade na ginawa natin yung sa masterclass course, no? Yung kung if anyone would like to go and join the travel masterclass, no, agent, to become one of us, no, as maging agent, no, ginawa na po natin ng updated webinar system. Gagawan ko po ng video lahat yan para malaman nyo po at maintindihan nyo po, para malaman nyo kung gaano ka-explosive yung ginawa nating system, no, kung saan yung ating mga website mismo is parang ginawa natin ng tools para sila na mismo yung kumilos at makapagbenta kahit na nasa online po yung ating sistema. And we're gonna make a video tutorial on all those specific topic po. Kasi pag mahaba, alam ko tinatamad kayo manood pagka mahaba na yung video, kaya as much as possible bibilisan lang natin. So we do it in sequence, no? So